Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. So first you just need to go to your browser and search up Grammarly extension. Open this one right here. This is the exact name, and as you can see, over 47 million plus users have downloaded this. Look at the amount of ratings. Come here, click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension, and it will start downloading it to your Chrome browser. And once it's done, I'll actually go ahead and pin this. All right, there we go. Perfect. Let's go ahead and pin this extension for ease of use. So just go ahead and click on that and pin it. There we go. We have pinned that. Now, if I come back to Google Docs and if I refresh my page here at the bottom right, we'll see a Grammarly icon. So there we go. I have refreshed my Google Docs. And if you haven't signed in already or signed up, they'll ask you to do that. So first we need to log in. This will open up a new tab where we'll go ahead and log in. You can go ahead and use your Gmail account. So there we go. I just clicked on continue with my email and I have a Grammarly right here. As you can see, it is opening up. So let me go ahead and click got it for this. Okay. But as you can see, I am able to use Grammarly. Okay. And it's really that easy and simple.